Welcome back to Roof Screen. Today we'll be showing you how to install roof screen vision guard louvers in a vertical orientation. If you're installing roof screen girts or horizontal louvers, we recommend you check out our step-by-step video guide linked in the description below. Before starting the installation, it's important to review your shop drawings in conjunction with your installation manual. Let's get started. Typically, the first step in installing vertical louvers is installing angle brackets to your mounting substrate. In this case, we're using horizontal girts. Again, more details on the girt installation process can be found in the video linked in the description. Angle brackets may not always be required. Depending on the substrate, louver trees may be installed directly. This will be determined by engineering. Here I'm placing the brackets parallel to the girt structure. Clamps can be used to hold them in place while confirming attachments are level and spaced correctly. Angle brackets are attached with S35 Tech screws. I'm using 2 Tech screws to attach each previously clamped angle bracket. These screws are typically installed on the diagonal. Your project may require more screws, but probably not less. Here's a close-up of the typical diagonal Tech screw installation and placement. It's important to ensure each angle bracket is level before installing the Tech screws. These will be the mounting point for our louver trees, and alignment is essential for a plumb and level finished project. I'm going to repeat this process until all 6 of our angle brackets are installed in accordance to our shop drawings, and we'll see you for the next step. Now it's time to install the louver trees. The louver tree is the support member for mounting louver blades and comes pre-assembled by Roof Screen Manufacturing with the clips mounted and spaced to match the louver blade spacing specified on the project. We're starting with the topmost trees, then we'll move on to the bottom row. For our project, the pre-installed louver clips are spaced 6 inches apart on the 4-foot, 4 and 5/8 inches long trees. To maintain the 6-inch clip spacing between the louver tree segments, there needs to be 1 3/8 inches gap left in the intersection of the 2 trees. Once positioned correctly, use S35 Tech screws to fasten the tree to each angle bracket. I'm again using 2 screws on the diagonal per fastening point. Here I'm installing the second tree in the run and will align it using the previously discussed 1 3/8 inch gap to maintain the proper clip spacing. I'll continue installing the remaining trees using the same spacing. It's always a good idea to double check for plumb prior to securing with Tech screws. Now that we have our tree set up at the specified spacing, it's time for the easy part, installing the louver blades. Our louvers easily snap into the pre-installed clips on the louver trees by rotating the louver blade and are secured by installing 1 Tech screw through the blade into each clip. Louvers must be installed from one side to the other. Start on one end of a straight run and install the remaining louvers. Our blades are spanning 2 clips, so we're using 2 screws per blade. These Tech screws must be placed before installing the following blade, as your drill may not fit between the rows. To ensure I'm installing the louvers level and at the correct height, I've set up a laser line. You may also use a string line. Installing the angle brackets and making sure they're plumb and level and spaced correctly is the hard part. Installing the louver blades is a breeze. Quality check. As always, it's important to perform a final quality control inspection. Remove all shavings left over from installing Tech screws, pick up any screws and other miscellaneous items that may have been dropped, and that's it. With these basic steps, you can successfully install vertical vision guard louvers. If you have any questions or need additional assistance, please feel free to contact us. We hope this video was helpful and wish you a successful installation.